How to find preload pages on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find preload pages on Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome and click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Now scroll down and click on privacy and security, and you have preload pages. Click on it, and this is it. You can choose no preloading or the second option, whatever you want. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.